How's it going, RevTune? Today I'll be changing the steering wheel on the Skyline. I'll be going from amateur to pro drifter. Yeah. All right, let's change this. So first, gotta take the horn pad off. You gotta loosen the nut. But what I do, you just wanna loosen it probably not all the way off because you gotta break the spline or loosen the spline. So you rattle gun it, whoop, halfway, and then you wiggle the steering wheel and so on until it's ready to come off. Then you got to centralize the steering wheel. Yeah, and then we're going to take the steering wheel off. So pull the steering wheel off. Okay, that's it. Put that over there. And now you're going to get your bosket. This is my bosket. Now this bosket's to suit Skyline with Hicas. And the difference between Skyline with Hicas is, see the windows on the back here? I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So the windows on the back. So those windows, it's got to go around the plug here and the centralizer here. Refit the boss kit with the nut, fit the steering wheel with the Allen keys and the horn pad, and you're done.